I'm Toshika. I'm an origami artist and teacher. I'm going to show you how to make origami kaleidoscope. Firstly, you need a sheet of origami paper. Face up the white side and make the triangle. And back the square, rotate the paper, and the other way to make the triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4 corner meet the center point. So make a smaller size of triangle shape. So make sure the crease is sharp enough, then back to the actual square shape. Point meet the first crease line, and then fold again inward to follow the crease which you made. And repeat 3 more times. Then looks like this. Turn over and the 4 point meet the center point. You can find a little gap, a little pocket on the side. So lift up and then push to flatten. And then do the other corners, repeat again. Then you need to push into the center and divide it 4. Then try to flatten, then appear the heart shape. Then you need to make 7 more pieces. Firstly, you need 2 pieces, and you need to open one side. Looks like this. And other pieces, you need to do the same thing. So it looks like 2 fishes face each other. You need to put one piece into the other piece and kind of make sure that fit perfectly. Make flat and it looks like accordion. Now we put all pieces together. Do the same technique to become long pieces. Take your time, just try to fit nicely, perfectly. Then now finally you need to make the round shape. Check the shape properly. Also check that each pieces stay together. So this is origami kaleidoscope. Now you can play with it like this.